Hello guys, have a blessed day. My name is Charls Angel Gantalao. So, we are talking about the mathematics in the modern world. So, I have been focused at the one topic of mathematics in the modern world. So, at the model of the video, you are expected to define exponential growth model and solve real-world problems. The exponential growth model can be modeled by y equals a times b raised to x, where a is the starting number, b is the growth factor, and x is the number of interval, which is minutes, years, and so on. So the formula is just the same with y equals a times 1 plus r raised to t. So, example, a virus spread at the rate of 30% each day. There are 600 viruses today. How many will be? A. Tomorrow. B. 1 week from now. C. 1 month from now. So, solution A tayo guys. Using the formula y equals a times b raised to x, where a equals 600. So, b equals 1.30. So, sa nakita nyo, 1.30 dito natin ito nakuha sa growth factor, which is 30%. Then, nag-add siya ng 1, kaya naging 1.30. And then, x equals to 1. Because, tomorrow, 1 day lang siya guys. Then, y equals 600 times 1.30 raised to 1. So, the answer is 780. So there will be 780 virus tomorrow. Solution B tayo guys, using the formula y equals a times b raised to x, where a equals 600, b equals 1.30, and x equals 7. So nag-change tayo ng value ng x guys. Naging pinalitan natin ng 7 because 1 week from now. Then y equals 600 times 1.30 raised to 7. So, solve natin tong, muna natin tong 1.30 raised to 7. We have 6.27. Then, multiply 600. So, we have 3,764.91. So, round off natin to guys tong 4 into 5 because wala kasing virus na 0.91. So there will be 3,765 1 week from now. So solution C tayo guys. Using the formula y equals a times b raised to x, where a is equals 600. So b equals 1.30 and x equals 30. So, again guys, nag-change tayo ng value sa x. Pinalitan natin ng 30 because 1 month equivalent of 30 days. Then, y equals 600 times 1.30 raised to 30. So, unahin natin to guys. 1.30 raised to 30 times 600. So, we have 1,571,697. So, there will be 1,571,997 virus 1 month from now. Using the exponential growth model, y equals a times 1 plus r raised to t, where a is the initial amount and r is the percent increase expressed as decimal. The 1 plus r is called the growth factor. A equals p times 1 plus r over n raised to nt. A is compound amount, t is time in years, p is the principal amount, n is the period, and r is the interest. So, example, I invest 100,000 at annual rate of 8% compounded yearly. So, find the total amount of the account after 10 years if no withdrawals and additional deposits are made. So, A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So, input muna natin ang value nila, guys. So, we have equals 100,000 times 1 plus 0.08 over 1 raised to 1 times 10. So, solve muna natin to, guys. Ang unahin natin itong 0.08 divided by 1. So, plus 1, we have 1.08. Then, copy natin sa ibaba ang 1,000. So, 100,000. So, we have 100,000 times 1.08. Then, 1 times 10 equals 10. So, copy natin dito sa ibaba. So, mayroon na tayong 100,000 times 1.08 raised to 10. So, we have 215,892.49. So, there would be 215,000 in the account at the end of 10 years. So, another example. Determine the amount of money if my friend Romy invested 100,000 in the bank with an annual rate of 9% compounded. A. Yearly 14 years. B. Semi-annually. And C. Monthly from 14 years. So, solution ito guys. P equals 100,000. R equals 0.09. N equals 1. And T equals 10. So, A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So, input muna natin ang value nila. We have 100,000 times 1 plus 0.09 over 1 raised to 1 times 10. So, copy 100,000 sa ibaba. Then, 0.09 divided by 1 plus 1. So, we have 1.9. Then, 1 times 10. So, we have 10. So, 1.09 raised to 10 times 100,000. So, we have 236,736.36. So, solution B tayo guys. P equals 100,000. R equals 0.09. N equals 2. And T equals 10. So, ang N guys, nag-iba tayo ng value because semi-annually, it means twice a year or by 6 months. So, A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So, input natin ang value nila. We have 100,000 times 1 plus 0.09 over 2 raised to 2 times 10. So, ang gagawin natin guys, copy 100,000 sa ibaba. Then, 0.09 divided by 2. We have 0.04 plus 1. Then, 2 times 10. So, we have 100,000 times 1.04 raised to 20. So, 1.04 raised to 20 times 100,000. So, we have 219,112.31. So, solution C tayo guys. P equals 100,000. R equals 0.09, n equals 12, and t equals 10. So, ang n guys, nagpalit na din tayo ng value. Naging 12 na siya because monthly from 10 years. So, monthly at 1 year we have 12 months. So, kaya naging 12 ang value ng n, time in years. So, A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So, input natin ang value nila. We have equals 100,000 times 1 plus 0.09 over 12 raised to 12 times 10. So, ang gagawin natin dito, same process. Copy 100,000 sa ibaba, then 0.09 divided by 12 plus 1. So, we have 1.0075, then 12 times 10, we have 120. So, 1.0075 raised to 120 times 100,000. So, we have 245,130. What have you learned? Define exponential growth model and solve real-world problem. Thanks for watching.
We got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me, thinking about what could have happened or what